Today, we will discuss a new study conducted in United Kingdom on beetroot. It is a double randomized controlled study where the patient and the doctor are not informed of who is receiving what. Only a research team is aware. The problem is that when someone has a heart attack, it is immediately followed by an angioplasty. The injection or the contrast is given with it. It passes through the blood vessels. When it goes to the heart, at the same time an X-ray is taken to see if there is a clot in the blood vessels or not. Checking the severity and how much it is blocking the blood flow. Contrast is very important, and it's almost impossible to administer without it. The problem is that older individuals, those with weak kidneys, diabetics, and people with chronic diseases can experience kidney damage as a result of receiving this contrast. It often happened that some people went on dialysis. To mitigate potential damage, medical professionals used to administer an intravenous drip to patients prior to angiography. This ensured the patient was well hydrated, helping to flush out the contrast and reduce any potential kidney harm. But then a study was conducted on patients divided into two groups. Both groups underwent imaging procedures, and both received contrast. However, one group was administered with potassium nitrate. It was later observed that after a few weeks, the people who were given potassium nitrate had less kidney damage and fewer heart attacks. In comparison, the group that was given a placebo, or in other words, not given potassium nitrate, noticed more damage and the same complications. The study was carried out for a year. The kidney health improved, and heart health also improved. The problem was that there was no medication like potassium nitrate, but it is found in abundance in beetroot, which increases the nitric oxide levels in the body. The scientists were surprised because there was a 70% reduction in such problems in those who were given potassium nitrate. They have stated that until tablets become available to everyone in the market, it is important for people to consume beetroot juice because it contains potassium nitrate. Due to the increase in nitric oxide, it has many benefits. The veins and the rest of the blood vessels function much better. Nitric oxide inhibits platelet aggregation, which are crucial steps in the formation of clots, and helps maintain the integrity of vessels while preventing clot formation. The kidneys are highly vascular organs, and maintaining proper blood flow to them is crucial for their proper function. By regulating blood pressure and ensuring adequate blood flow, nitric oxide helps protect the kidneys from damage. Nitric oxide also aids in improving flow and oxygenation in the brain. This can enhance cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of disorders like dementia and stroke. Beets also offers protection against oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to the development of Alzheimer's. Here is how to prepare beetroot juice for maximum nutritional benefits. Choose fresh, firm, and unblemished beetroots. Organic beetroots are preferable to avoid pesticide residues. Cleanse the beetroot under running water to remove any dirt and debris. Peel the beetroot using a vegetable peeler or a knife. Dice the beetroot into smaller pieces to facilitate smoother blending. Place the beetroot chunks into the blender jar. Start blending on low speed and gradually increase to high speed. Add citrus fruits like lemon and orange for flavor and an extra dose of vitamin C, which can enhance the absorption of nutrients in the beetroot. You can also add honey if you don't like the earthy and sometimes slightly bitter taste of beetroot juice. Drink the freshly prepared beetroot juice immediately to enjoy the highest nutrient content. Nutrients can start to degrade once the juice is exposed to air and light. If you have leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the fridge for a short period. Consider using dark-colored containers to minimize light exposure, which can further preserve the nutrients.